Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And if you've been following along in this series of welding these stars, uh, somebody tried to duplicate what I was doing with the last video where we cut a line at 7.5 degrees. And they told me it would not weld, and they are right. It will not weld correctly. It only welds that top one. So whenever you have any situation like that, the best thing to do is I'm going to take the ring. If you ever see anything like that, jump, move it out of the way. And I'm going to take a rectangle, put around this just in case it leaks. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. It did not leak. I'm going to move that out of the way. Now we can delete all this, the old ones. We can actually hit P and put it in the center of the page. Then we can left click, right click, and then we can bring in our ring by hitting P and watch it weld now. I don't know really why that is. I guess they're not joined together or some aspect, but this is the end result, the Smart Fill tool. For Smart Fill tool actually makes a new shape of your item. So the old shape's still there, it just makes a new shape and it joins everything together. Even if the stars are not joined together, the Smart Fill tool will join them together. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.